how to use a Visa gift card online. Now, before using a Visa gift card, first it depends upon how you got or purchased that Visa gift card, whether it is a vanilla Visa gift card or other things as such. Important thing is that you must know whether or not it is activated. So if you're sure that if your Visa gift card is activated, you can use them on almost 80 to 90% of the e-commerce website or shopping website. So let's say you want to use them on Walmart. You normally just go to the checkout page, and on the payment option, to use your Visa gift card, you can add your Visa gift card as a normal credit or debit card. So you can enter your gift card number right here and click on continue. Similarly, if you want to actually use an Amazon, you have to add your Visa gift card as a credit or debit card. Now you should not select use your gift card option right here, because this option is only for that particular website's gift card option, but you have a Visa gift card, so that is why you have to add it as a normal credit or debit card depending upon whichever platform that you're trying to add it to. Now sometimes it might ask you for a zip code, right? And if it asks you for a zip code, then Visa gift card don't usually issue a zip code. So in that case, you simply enter your own hometown or your shipping address as zip code. If it asks you for a card name, then in that case, if there is a name on your card, that's perfectly fine. If there isn't a name, you can give it a name as a gift card only. Then after that, you should be able to use that payment method. So these are the ways on how you can use your Visa gift card. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.